Philips full automatic espresso machine. Bring cafe quality coffee home with the Philips fully automatic espresso maker. It offers up to 5 different coffee drinks with just the touch of a button. Get the best out of your coffee beans with the durable ceramic grinders and our aroma extracting brew system. The TFT display with icons will make the preparation of coffee from freshly grounded beans extremely easy. The classic milk frother allows you to top your next drink with a silky smooth layer of milk froth. Your coffee, your way.
Introducing our assisted tamp manual espresso machine, the Barista Express Impress. Less mess, less fuss with the Impress Puck system. Let's unbox and take a look at the various included parts. Lay the box on its side and use the flap to slide the machine out. You'll find a set of accessories that all have a part to play. When assembling the Barista Express Impress, you'll find a useful tray that can be used to store accessories such as filter baskets, burr brush, or cleaning tools.